This large set of mosaic tiles are great for all kinds of crafts. You could use these for picture frames, put it around potted plants, or I like to just make art. Or I suppose this could be a coaster. The company did send me these in exchange for this video. A purchase link is available in the description. I have separated out some colors that I will use. You will need to bring your own craft adhesive. I'm using B7000. I like this because it's 100% clear and it takes a long time for it to set up. So if you need to remove a piece or fix something later, you can. I prepared some backer material for these fun arcade images. The process is simple. Just put down a little dab of glue and add the tiles. As I mentioned, this is flexible. You can shift things around minutes after you put them down. And it's just a fun process of going line by line. I just love nostalgic things that remind me of the 80s. I like products like this because the outcome is limited to your imagination. Whatever you can think, these tiles could be able to do a great job representing your vision. 8-bit video game art for me, that's what I chose, but there's no wrong answer. I get so much enjoyment out of making cool things, and these, in my opinion, are certainly cool. I really like them.